Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on PlayStation 2. First, ensure your PlayStation 2 console is properly connected to your television. Next, plug your Guitar Hero controller into one of the console's controller ports. Then, insert your Guitar Hero game disc into the disc tray. Finally, power on your console and select the game from the main menu to begin your rock and roll journey. It's a straightforward setup, getting you ready to shred in no time. Now, let's dive into the basic gameplay. As notes scroll down the screen, match their colors to the 5 corresponding fret buttons on your guitar controller. When a note reaches the bottom line, hold down the correct fret button and simultaneously strum the strum bar. Release the fret button once the note has passed. This fundamental coordination is key to hitting those notes and building your score. Practice makes perfect for mastering this rhythm. Ready to elevate your game? Master advanced techniques like star power. Fill your star power meter by hitting glowing note sequences, then activate it by tilting your guitar or pressing the select button for a score boost. For sustained notes, use the whammy bar to earn extra points. Practice hammer-ons and pull-offs by quickly pressing or releasing fret buttons without strumming. These moves are crucial for achieving higher scores and dominating the leaderboards. To truly master Guitar Hero, begin on the easy difficulty setting to familiarize yourself with song patterns and timing. As your skills develop, gradually increase the difficulty level. Don't be afraid to replay challenging song sections multiple times to perfect your technique. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends. With dedicated practice, you'll soon be hitting every note and achieving 5-star performances on even the toughest tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.